Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a Philips Sonicare toothbrush. Now this is the ultrasonic that Philips is well known for. I've had this unit for about 4 years now, so I'm very familiar with its operation. And it'll whiten your teeth in about 1 week. And this is the DiamondClean version, the DiamondClean heads on there. And this is unique ultrasonic technology because this vibration is about 31,000 movements or strokes per minute. Very, very fast. Now you notice there's a little gap right here. That's normal to have that gap. That's because the head is vibrating using this connection right here. This is very simple to operate. You can see when you plug it in, you might not see that because of the bright light. There's a charging indicator on there. And then you have a power switch. And you have clean mode, sensitive mode, and clean and white. And it varies the vibrations. And it'll stop in between the different times you need to change the quadrants of your teeth to remind you to change so that you balance it out on your teeth and gums. Now this is really unique. I'm going to show here. Just have some ordinary tap water. See it splashing the water all over the place. That's incredible. You can just look at the amount of vibration that's going on. To let you know that it's really cleaning your teeth and gums. Now I can attest to this thing. My dentist was pushing this for many years. I finally got it, and it's been a dramatic improvement in my gum health and in the quality of the brightness of my teeth. So I really think this is a good product. Now I'm going to show a demonstration when you wear out these brushes and you want to go to the next one. Keep the old brushes, and I'm going to show you a trick I learned to help clean your shower and your sinks. There's a product called CLR mold and mildew foam, and of course you have your traditional. This is a Libman long extension brush, but what's unique here is I used the Philips Sonicare with one of my old toothbrushes on there, along with that mold and mildew from CLR, and it's the best way to remove stains and mildew because you can't reach in these small areas. So you turn it on, it allows you to get in these tight corners where all that builds up. I'll tell you, this works incredible. You can never clean that area with any other method, and these high frequency vibrations along with that foaming agent just removes all the stains, the rust, and the calcium. Nothing else has done this for me. So that's just a little tip I wanted to give you. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.